Good morning, class. Today, let's start our English lesson with Miss Bong. Today, we are going to learn about where are the farm animals? Where are the farm animals? Okay, let's start our lessons. Okay, class, before we start our lesson, please read the day and date. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Hari ini hari Kamis. Hari ini hari Kamis. 今天是星期四。今天是星期四。The date is 17th June 2021. Okay, now let's guess. Can you all name what animals will stay here? Stay in this place. What animals will live here? Do you know? Did you all see this before? Yes, this is a coop. This is called a coop. C-O-O-P, coop. This is called coops. Okay, what animal will stay here? The animal stay here is, what is this called? What animal is this called? This animal's called, yes, this is hen. Hen, this is hen. Okay, hens will live in the coops. Okay, now can you all read the sentence with? Okay, you all please try to look this picture. Look at this picture. Look, the hens are in the coop. You see, the hens are in the coop. This place we'll call coop. Okay, can you all read this sentence? The hens are in the coop. The hens are in the coop. Can girls read this? The hens are in the coop. Very good. How about boys? Can you read this sentence? The hens are in the coop. Yes, very good. Remember, the hens live or stay in the coop. This is called coop. Okay, the next. Try to guess. Look at this place. What animals will stay here? Guess about. Try to guess. Did you all see this before? This is called stable. This is called stable. Okay. Who can tell me what animal live here? This stable is for? Yes, very good. What animal is this? This is horse. The stable is for horse. So horse will live in the stable. Okay, look at the pictures. Okay, see? The horses are in the stable. Okay, now read this sentence. The horses are in the stable. The horses are in the stable. Yes, very good. The horses are in the stable. So now boys, please read. The horses are in the stable. Okay, girls, please read. The horses are in the stable. Okay, this is called stable. It's for horse. Okay, now next. Who know what play it is? This is, yes, this is a field. Field. This is a field. Try guess. What animals will stay here? Yes, very good. This is for cow. cow will stay at the fields. This is called cow. Cow. This place is called field. So look at here. The cows are in the field. The cows are in the field. Okay, now girls, please read. The cows are in the field. Yes, very good. How about boys? The cows are in the field. Yes, very good. So remember, this is field. The cows are in the field. Okay, next. Okay, very good. Now look at here. What's this place? This place is called, yes, very good. This is called pond. Pond 就是池塘 pond. Okay, try to guess. What animal will stay here? Pond. Yes, very good. This is for, what is this called? This is, yes, this is for duck. Ducks. Okay, now read this sentence. The ducks are in the pond. The ducks are in the pond. Okay, remember, look at the picture. The ducks, this is called ducks. The ducks are in the pond. Okay, very good. Now next. Please. Hi children, please take out your English textbook and open page 16. Before that, please remember to write down the day and date. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. So write down the date and day. So now please read this passage at home. Okay, please read the sentence at home. And we will do the exercise. Okay, take out your English activity books and open page 16. Write down the day and date. Okay, listen instructions. Take the correct words to complete the sentences. Okay, try to look here. The hens are in the pond or coop. The horses are in the stable or field. So please remember, look at the pictures and answer. If the correct answer, correct words, then you take it. The cows are in the field or stables. The ducks are in the coop or pond. The ducks are in the coop or pond. So please take your correct answers. Okay, so remember, please finish your homework and pass up. Today our class ends here. Thank you.